Gusto maglaro ng snow ang aming anak, so nag-book kami ng flight papuntang Kyrgyzstan.
During
to the sunset.
yeah, sunset.
It's maybe a little bit earlier than the 6 p.m. I think.
Okay. Welcome to Kyrgyzstan! Welcome, Daddy! Welcome, Biokin! So, we are at the 3rd floor ng hostel. Ito ang ating door. Jaran. Look! Biokin will demonstrate. Ala, hindi na mabuksan. You have to open, please. Ayan, like that. Ayan. It's like that. We're the 3rd floor. Kami lang nga nandito. Okay. Uy. Yan. Okay. Come inside. Fully carpeted. Bago pa yung hostel. So, nakakatuwa. Malinis. Ang sabi ko, we are 3 persons. Ang ginawa, binigyan kami ng 3 beds. This is the first bed. This is the second bed. Yan. First 2 beds. And this is the 3rd bed. 3 beds. At ang laki ng area. Yan. Ito naman, meron kaming TV, free ang wifi, merong pantry, kitchen sa baba so we can cook, free ang coffee, juice, and tea, and water, filtered water. And then, ayan, ang kanyang little toilet. Actually, it's not little. It's like this. Yan, with a shower. Pero, maliit lang yung door. Ang hilig nila sa maliliit na door, yung parang isang tao lang kasya, ganyan. And then, para kaming nasa ano, ang tawag sa ganito? Attic? Mezzanine? Parang ganon. Yan, and then Piokin will put his luggage, storage. By the way, right now, it's 6 o'clock in Kyrgyzstan time. In the UAE, -2. So, 4 a.m. pa lang sa UAE ngayon. So, medyo... We are already sleepy. We are going to sleep for 3 hours. Later, we're going to start our tour.
Ito ang day 1 namin. Pupuntahan namin ang Ala-Archa National Park. Kakain kami sa Navat Restaurant at magtutour sa Bishkek City. Tinutulungan kami tour guide namin kasi wala sing English na translation. Only Kyrgyzstan language. Ang Ala-Archa National Park ay isang magandang destinasyon na matatagpuan sa north ng Bishkek, Kyrgyzstan. Kilala ito sa mga kamangha-manghang tanawin ng bundok, mga matatarik na bangin at malinis na ilog. Itong park ay isang popular na puntahan ng mga mahihilig sa hiking, mountaineering at nature. Dito matatagpuan ang mga natatanging species ng hayop at halaman, pati na rin ang mga magagandang views ng snow-capped mountain ng Tian Shan. If you can see, nakamaong kami, pero kasi meron kami ng thermal pants and clothes sa loob. Mainit siya na. So kahit isa na lang, isang patong. Merry Christmas! Ho 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 ho! Noong isang taon pa gustong maglaro ng snow ni Joaquin. Late lang to. Oh, sit down, Pioki, sit down. Sit down, sit down. Sit down. Yeah.
Спасибо. Лапуля. Ой, какая милая.
Что почему-то был
Lucky, lucky.
Don't move your hand.
oldu fazla zaten.
Di ata sila ganun tawagin eh.
Kami, перелет начало. Kami, это виза Австрия.
Ang bait ng ano.
Даже для меня пробовать написано выглядит там.
Nasa kapag lumalapit yung
Yan na.
Nice.
Yun.
Open.
They're not taking you.
They're not taking yeah.
Maybe because
It's big.
Yeah, it's big.
Pisay mo, baby. Ikarampol mo, baby. Yeah.
Yan. Here, come.
Ayan, Pioki.
Yan, look, oh.
Kapalit ba?
Look.
Kapalit.
Baby, dali.
Yan, meron ako.
Cute. Matigas na yung iba. Oh.
Navat is that one. Instead of boiled sugar, crystallized.
What do you like? Nasaan yung charger mo?
Like this, and it's separated into two parts. One part is for the butter. It's the oil part. Okay, fat of the milk.
Because it's salted.
Oh, yeah. This is beef. Beef milk or horse milk?
It's a beef. Not beef, like a cow milk.
Cow milk. This is Borsa, national bread of Kyrgyzstan.
Oh, that's 40. I thought it's 40.
Before eating, tea first. This is a little sweetness, but not really sweet. Maybe there's a little lemon. So before eating, they have tea. Guys, kino-cover lang pala nila dito yung yung pot.
For us. Because I might not finish. So we
Yeah,
can just
just
get. Yeah.
This is beef.
Like that.
Mutton, what is it?
Hala ko
So,
dito at
this is the horse meat. Let's try.
Dad,
Parang baka na parang lamb.
That's cool.
So guys, ito yung sausage nila. Pero kabayo. So, we will try it. Okay ma'am. Taba yung ano, horse fat. Okay naman. Carry ko yung taste niya. There's no anggo. No aftertaste. A little salty. Okay.
And they are 15 like different nations. They are on the security of the one kernel.
That's USSR,
Kernel.
right?
Yeah, kernel is the meaning of the goals and the values. They are together like going to the one world. First, like a national, how can I say, national revolution, and there was like a politicians who was against the president,
Ah, okay.
and he put all this
It's like
like
martial law already.
yeah.
Yeah.